My name is JJ and I'm going to show you how to make a fun food at home. So you can see here there are PBJs with a smile. So you're going to need bread, peanut butter, jelly, and there's some raisins or chocolate chips, and raspberries, and an apple, banana, and a knife. So that's what you'll need. So you're just going to take the bread, 2 pieces of bread, and make them out. Excuse me. So, and then you're just going to take some peanut butter. And then you spread it on one piece. So you spread it on one piece. Yeah. And then you're gonna put some jelly on it. So you just spread it around for a while, and then you're gonna put them together and take the banana. Then you're gonna take, then you're just gonna chop 2 little pieces for the eyes. Then you're gonna just put them on there. Then you're gonna take a raspberry for the nose. And then you're gonna have to take an apple and cut, and then you're gonna cut a little smile. So yeah, and then you're gonna chop off another piece, and then, then you're gonna put it right here and take 2 chocolate chips for the eyes, and then some raisins for the mouth. Teeth. So you're gonna just put the teeth on, like this apple's kind of slanted. So you can put as many on as you want. Just like have them a little bit together. So yeah. And then here you go with the yummy PBJ sandwich. And that's how you make it. Have fun! Bye!